Hey, good morning, world. Really early this morning. So, what's in the news? Or, more important, what's not in the news today? The United Nations, right now, is negotiating an international ocean mining treaty. Now, what does this mean to the planet? It means we're going to let people go harvest mineral resources out in the ocean. We've been doing this already, but it's been hard to do. So right now, and in the year 2020, this treaty is going to be active, and the industry is gearing up for this more than anyone knows because our media isn't talking about it. This treaty is probably the most important treaty to the future of our planet that you can imagine. And yet, there's nothing in the news about it. There's no discussions about it. There's no public interest in it. The media isn't talking about it. It's almost as if this huge global treaty organization, the United Nations, doesn't exist. And yet, they're giving away, they're handing these rights to international corporations, the same ones that are fucking with our politics. But it's not in the news. I can't think of a more important global idea of protecting our oceans than, I mean, Trump doesn't fucking matter. This treaty goes on beyond Republican nonsense, beyond the lies of government doesn't work. This is really disheartening. Not a peep in the media about this. You can get news releases from the United Nations, but go Google it. See who's talking about this. Our oceans, basically where we came from. The unbelievable, unbelievable. That I blame faith. Faith is abusing its powers.